Hey there, Roblox creators! Today, we're diving into how to create your very own custom soundtracks for your Roblox games. Let's get started. Before we create, it's crucial to understand copyright and licensing. This will help you avoid any legal issues when using music in your games. There are many free resources available for music and sound effects. Let's explore some great options to kickstart your soundtrack journey. Want to create original music? Various tools and software can help you compose your own unique soundtracks. Let's go over a few popular options. Here's how to import your custom soundtracks into Roblox Studio. Follow along as we add your creations directly to your game. Next, we need to set up sounds in your game environment. This is vital for creating an immersive gameplay experience. Now, it's time to test your custom soundtracks during gameplay. This step is all about making sure your audio fits perfectly. To ensure smooth performance, let's optimize your audio settings. A few tweaks can make a big difference. Finding the right balance between your custom soundtracks and game sound effects is crucial. Here are some tips to get it just right. And there you have it. Now you know how to create and implement custom soundtracks that will take your Roblox game to the next level. Happy creating!